All right, so you might have noticed there's been a lot of videos floating around the internet of people going to stores, namely Walmart, and getting stuff like packs of bacon or something like that and bringing it home and throwing it on a scale and say they were shorted. But what we're going to do here is just make sure that before you're doing that and actually accusing someone, I mean, they may be right. I mean, I wouldn't put it by anybody, but let's just make sure that your equipment is actually correct before you go making any videos or accusing anybody of anything. So we're going to turn this on here, and we're on grams because that's how these are weighed out here. So we have our calibration weights here. We're going to start out, this one's 100 grams. So we're going to put that on there. And this scale is 100 grams right on the nose. So we'll take that one off and we'll move to the 50 gram one. We'll put that on there. And we're right at 50 grams on that too. And this one's 20. And we have 20 grams. Next would be our 10. And that one's coming up at 11, I guess. It was just 10 a minute ago because I just did this a minute ago. All right, there we go. Right at 10. Even if it's within a gram or two, it really doesn't matter. You're still accurate enough. And this one is the 5 gram. And we're right on the nose with that one. Now it does have, these weights I got off of Amazon, they're like $7. So it's not much. And there's, excuse me, 2 more here. That one of them's 2, one of them's 1 gram, but they don't even tend to register on the scale because they're so light. But, you know, just make sure that your equipment is right before you go making stuff and accusing people of doing things. All right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the way out, and we'll see you in the next one.